What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do something that I like to call Can I Grill That? And we're going to start with pizza rolls and potato skins. And we're going to do it on my Weber. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get all the notifications. Follow me on Instagram at B.B.Q 2020 and Facebook at B.B.Q 2020. So let's get this grill fired up. Let's get it started. Let's get the coals going. And we're going to see if we can grill junk food today. And I do apologize, it's a little bit windy out here on the grill patio. So let's get started. Alright, I guess that does answer the question. Can I grill that? Yes, you can. You can definitely grill the potato skins, and you can definitely grill pizza rolls. So anyway, with that being said, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at B.B.Q 2020. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of B.B.Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. See you guys next time. Peace out.